In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Mega Menu widget in Elementor, full tutorial. A Mega Menu lets you turn a single dropdown into a rich, multi-column layout with images, icons, and neatly organized links. To begin, head to your WordPress dashboard. We'll work inside Elementor, so make sure your site and plugins are up to date for the smoothest experience. Next, open Elementor, go to Settings, then Features, and toggle on Flexbox Container and Nested Elements. These two features power the structure of modern mega menus, letting you build responsive rows and columns right inside your menu. If they weren't enabled before, click Save so Elementor can apply the changes. Now go to Templates and open the theme builder. Edit your site's header template, since that's where your navigation lives. If your header uses containers, great, that's exactly what we want. If you're using legacy sections, consider migrating. But for now, we'll focus on the menu area you already have. In the editor, search for the menu or mega menu widget and drag it into your header container where your navigation belongs. If you already had a menu widget, you can replace it or place this new one alongside it while you set things up. Make sure it's connected to the correct WordPress menu in the content settings. Click to select the menu widget on the canvas so its options appear in the left panel. In the Content tab, open the Menu Items section and choose the specific top-level item you want to convert into a mega menu. It's best to pick a parent item that will house several categories or content blocks. Toggle the drop-down content switch to On. This creates an inner content area dedicated to that menu item where you'll design the mega menu layout. Click the menu item you just edited and you'll see a drop zone appear right below it. Drag a container into this drop zone and set its direction to row. This gives you horizontal columns you can fill. You can add inner containers for more columns or use flex properties to control widths and spacing. Now build your layout by dragging in any combination of Elementor widgets, headings for section titles, icons, images, text, even other menus or templates. Keep things scannable with clear groupings and consistent spacing. Configure your settings and layout, adjust container width, gaps, alignment, and positioning. Choose how the dropdown opens, hover or click, and fine-tune animation, offset, and responsive behavior so it feels natural on desktop and touch devices. Finally, style your design. Set backgrounds, borders, padding, and shadows for the dropdown. Match typography and colors to your brand. Define link and hover styles. And check contrast for accessibility. Preview on desktop, tablet, and mobile to confirm everything is easy to navigate. And that's how you build a polished, responsive mega menu in Elementor.